Welcome to Edulegate Step-by-Step Guide. From updating Edulegate profile picture to changing your password, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps to ensure your account is up to date. Access the personalized profile settings. Go to the Account Details section. Enter Edit Mode for personal information. Upload a new profile picture. Access email settings. Edit your first name. Edit your last name. View or edit your profile description. Select notification status. Save changes made to your profile. Access password settings. Enter your current password and set a new password. Change your account password. Thanks for watching. Stay connected with Edulegate.